a black polish, a purple polish that didn't really work, a multi-size hollow silver glitter, and a red glitter. So I've already got a base coat, and I'm just going to paint on some black polish here. I like the instant dry. It does one coat and looks good. Now I'm using a makeup sponge to sponge on that purple glittery polish that you really can't even see. See? Can't see it all. See a little bit of the shine from it. Yeah, I thought it would show up better. Can you see it? Now I'm using a little wedge shape. I'm just going to dab on some of the red glitter. You can kind of see that. There. Now another makeup sponge, and I'm just dabbing on the hollow glitter to look like stars. Shiny. Yep. Okay. Focus. And now I'm just putting on the top coat. And top coat, all the nails. Yeah, I did them all off camera. And if you don't like that on the camera, see, all the nails. But you can just do an accent nail and have the rest of them in black. Or if you like that. Yeah, I didn't edit that well. Have a shiny black on all the nails and just an accent nail. Thanks for watching.